Welcome to Choice Champions. The Best Cat DNA Test is probably one of the most exciting innovations for cat parents, offering a unique window into your feline friend's genetic makeup, ancestry, and potential breed mix, all from the comfort of your home with a simple cheek swab. Imagine uncovering the mystery behind your cat's unique traits, from their quirky behaviors to their distinctive physical characteristics, and gaining a deeper understanding of their heritage, which could even shed light on potential health predispositions or dietary needs, making this an invaluable tool for any curious cat owner seeking to bond more profoundly with their beloved pet. Number 5. 23andMe Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Explore your unique heritage with our at-home DNA test kit. Get the most detailed geographic breakdown, tracing your ancestors back to specific villages. Our innovative ancestry composition estimates your heritage across over 4,500 geographic regions. See if you're connected to historical groups. Go back in time with our ancestry timeline and discover your Neanderthal ancestry. You can also find your maternal and paternal lines. Opt into our DNA Relative Finder to connect with people who share your DNA. Our automatic family tree makes it easy to see your relationships. Find out what makes you unique with personalized trait reports. Explore over 30 reports on characteristics like taste preferences and sleep habits. Simply collect a saliva sample at home, mail it back, and receive your personalized genetic reports in 4 to 5 weeks. It's that easy. Your DNA data is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We ensure your personal information is kept confidential and secure. What we like? If you are looking for the most detailed ancestral origins, this is the one. It offers breakdowns to the village level and includes historical group connections. If you enjoy learning about your unique personal traits, this kit provides over 30 reports on characteristics like taste preferences and sleep habits. What people say. The Wisdom Panel Cat DNA Test provides a comprehensive breed and trait analysis, identifying over 40 genetic health conditions and over 25 physical traits. The test kit is easy to use, with simple instructions for collecting a DNA sample from your cat. Results are delivered quickly, typically within 2 to 3 weeks, and are presented in a clear, easy-to-understand report. Number 4. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Discover a more complete picture of your health and explore your origins with our at-home DNA test kit. Get over 100 personalized genetic insights. Understand how your DNA may influence your chances of developing certain health conditions. Optimize your wellness with insights on diet, exercise, and sleep. Learn if you are a carrier for genetic variants linked to inherited conditions. Use these insights to make informed decisions about your family's future health. Collecting your DNA is easy and painless with our saliva kit. Simply register, spit, and mail it back in the prepaid box. Receive your reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your genetic information is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with robust security measures. Gain actionable, science-backed insights to take proactive control of your health journey. Explore your unique genetic makeup and its impact. What we like? For those prioritizing health insights, this service is a top choice. It provides FDA-authorized reports on health predispositions and carrier status, empowering informed decisions. If you want to proactively manage your well-being and understand genetic wellness for diet and exercise, this kit offers actionable guidance. What people say. The Wisdom Panel Cat DNA Test provides a comprehensive breed and trait analysis, identifying over 40 genetic health predispositions. The test kit is easy to use, requiring only a simple cheek swab from your cat. Results are typically available within 2 to 3 weeks. The online portal offers detailed insights into your cat's genetic makeup, including potential risks for common feline diseases and recommended preventative care strategies. Number 3. Wisdom Panel Breed Discovery Dog DNA Testing Kit. Discover your dog's unique genetic makeup with unparalleled accuracy. Screen for over 430 breeds to understand their heritage down to 1%, ensuring you can provide the best possible care. Ensure your dog's safety by testing for medication sensitivities. Knowing about potential adverse reactions to common drugs allows you to make informed choices for their well-being. Connect with your dog's family. With the world's largest breed database, you have a high chance of finding relatives, seeing their photos, and comparing DNA results. Trace your dog's lineage back 3 generations to understand how their breed mix developed. Gain insights into their behavioral tendencies to better understand their unique personality. Join over 5 million pet owners in 50+ countries who trust our service. Experience a simple DNA test, fast results, and reliable insights for a healthier, happier life together. What we like. If you want to understand your dog's breed composition with high accuracy, this is the kit for you. It screens for over 430 breeds and offers detailed breakdowns. If you're concerned about medication sensitivities, the included MDR1 test is a crucial feature for your dog's safety. What people say. The Wisdom Panel Cat DNA test provides a comprehensive breed and trait analysis, identifying over 40 genetic health predispositions. Results are delivered within 2 to 3 weeks, offering insights into your cat's ancestry and potential health risks. Number 2. Wisdom Panel Essential Dog DNA Test. Discover your dog's unique heritage with the most accurate breed detection available. Understand their background down to 1%, helping you provide the best possible care. Gain crucial insights into 30 genetic health conditions, including common risks like MDR1 and IVDD. This allows you to proactively create a personalized health plan with your veterinarian. Connect with canine relatives from around the globe. With the world's largest breed database, you can see photos, compare DNA, and even message other dog owners. Understand what makes your dog one of a kind, both inside and out. Explore their unique appearance and learn about their individual behavioral tendencies. Join millions of pet owners who trust our leading DNA service. Experience a simple swabbing process, fast results, and reliable insights for years to come. What we like. This option is ideal if you're looking for a comprehensive overview of your dog's health and traits. It screens for over 30 genetic health conditions, including important ones like MDR1 and IVDD, helping you create a proactive care plan. If understanding your dog's unique appearance and behavioral tendencies is important, this kit provides valuable insights. What people say. The Wisdom Panel Cat DNA test provides a comprehensive breed and trait analysis, identifying over 40 genetic health conditions and traits relevant to cats. The test kit is easy to use, involving a simple cheek swab that can be collected at home and mailed back to the lab for analysis. Results are typically available within 2 to 3 weeks and are presented in a user-friendly online report, detailing the cat's genetic predispositions and breed mix. Number 1. Embark Breed and Health Dog DNA Test. Discover over 270 genetic health conditions your dog may be at risk for. Early detection allows for personalized care plans and can significantly improve their well-being. Uncover your dog's unique breed mix with unparalleled accuracy. Our research-grade technology identifies over 400 breeds, giving you a complete picture of their ancestry. Learn about 55 physical traits, from adult size to shedding levels. Being prepared for these characteristics empowers you to be a more informed and confident pet owner. Find out your dog's risk for 4 types of allergies: environmental, food, contact, and flea. Get expert tips to help manage or prevent allergies and keep them comfortable. Explore the instincts rooted in their breed mix and discover what makes them uniquely themselves. Understand their personality on a deeper level. Discover your dog's relatives with our world-first canine relative finder. Our patented technology helps you connect with their family members through shared DNA. Receive your results in 2 to 4 weeks with updates throughout the process. Our dedicated vets and geneticists are available to answer any questions you may have. What we like. If you're seeking the most advanced health insights for your dog, this test is highly recommended. It covers over 270 genetic health conditions and uniquely provides allergy risk scores for environmental, food, contact, and flea allergies. If you value scientifically backed information, its partnership with Cornell University ensures top-tier accuracy. What people say. The Wisdom Panel Cat DNA test provides a comprehensive breed and trait analysis, identifying over 40 genetic health predispositions. The test kit is easy to use, with clear instructions for collecting a saliva sample from your cat. Results are delivered quickly through an online portal, offering detailed insights into your cat's genetic makeup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.